Look at what I got from my garden today. This is awesome. This is called a hardskin pumpkin. Don't quite remember the name, but I grew up on this in Jamaica, so I'm quite excited about growing my own. It weighs approximately 2.8 pounds, and I am in heaven. I left the stem on there because it could store up to 1 year. That's right, and I'm pretty excited. And you know, the other part about it, I have some babies coming up, and I have to show you. If you can see it, it is right in there. So that's one baby right there, another baby coming up, and I'm excited. Yep, nothing like growing your own food. This is heavenly, and I thank God for this opportunity to be able to grow my food in my backyard. That's right. See, that's my little heaven right there. Thank you, Jesus. What you growing out there?